Okay, so welcome back. So sa video nito, solve natin tong reflected excesses with some SVG markup allowed. So basahin natin this lab by simple reflected excesses vulnerability. The site is blocking common tags but misses some SVG tags and events. No? So to solve the lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function. So access natin yung lab, tingnan natin ulit. And alam natin na yung XSS ay nasa search functionality. So, testing natin. Lagay tayo ng common na tag, let's say image tag. Tingnan natin kung nabablock ba talaga. And ayan, no, sinabi na tag is not allowed. So, meaning, kailangan natin ulit na i-try na i-fuzz, no? So, hanapin natin to. Lagyan natin ng 1, 2, 3 dyan. And tingnan natin sa ating history. So, ayan yung 1, 2, 3 natin. Send natin to repeater. And i-fuzz natin ulit using intruder, no? So, go to intruder. Select natin yung payload natin na yan. And kailangan natin ulit yung cross-site scripting cheat sheet. No? So, yan yung cross-site scripting cheat sheet. So, copy natin lahat ng tag sa clipboard. Paste natin dito. And run natin yung attack. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng response natin is puro 400. Pero meron tayong ilan-ilan na 200, no? So, antayin lang natin na matapos tong attack natin and investigahan natin. So, ayan. Tapos na yung attack natin. Tignan natin yung status codes natin. Meron tayo ditong image, animate transform, SVG title, and yun lang, no? So, yan tatlong tags lang or yung 4 na tags lang yung pwede, no? So, ngayon, maghanap tayo ulit ng ating event handler, no? So, gamitin natin yung SVG natin, tapos, gamitin natin yung animate transform, no? So, palitan natin to. Gawin nating SVG. So, delete na natin muna to lahat. So, SVG, then animate transform. Then, space, and then, lagay natin yung ating event handler dito. No? So, fuzz tayo ulit. Delete natin tong payloads na to. Then, copy natin lahat ng events to clipboard and paste natin ulit. No? So, run natin ulit yung attack. Let's see. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng status codes natin ulit, 400, no? Pero, antayin natin ito matapos and investigate natin yung result. So, ayan, tapos na, no? So, tingnan natin yung results natin. Ang meron lang, ang pwede lang is yung on begin. No? So, ngayon, gawa na lang tayo ng payload natin with the SVG and animate transform and begin. No? So, balik na tayo sa lab. And, gawa tayo tag SVG animate transform on begin equals alert. No? And try natin search. And ayan, no? Nag-trigger na yung ating XSS. And nasolve na yung lab. Okay? So I hope na-gets nyo itong video na to and see you in the next video.